Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be sharing with you top 10 hotels of Munnar, Kerala. Number 1. Blanket Hotel and Spa. Located in Pallivasal near the Attugad waterfalls with 42 rooms, the property has a stunning view of the waterfall from the rooms and the restaurant. It also has a spa, an outdoor swimming pool. Every room in this hotel is air conditioned. This is a perfect stay to enjoy the nature walk. Number 2. Scenic Munnar by IHCL, the latest addition in Munnar by the Taj Group of Hotels, spread over 18 acres of area with 55 rooms. The property has a spa, fitness center, outdoor pool, coffee shop and a restaurant. The property also offers room with private pool. Number 3. Fragrant Nature Munnar, a 5-star classified hotel with good private space on different floors. With 43 rooms, the property has a fitness center, a banquet hall, spa, a temperature controlled infinity pool, with a coffee shop and a restaurant. This is a good option if you want to stay away from the city busy life. Number 4. Tall Tree Resort. True to its name, the resort has preserved over 600 tall trees in the resort and is spread out in an area of 66 acres with only 26 cottages. The property also has an Ayurveda wellness center, a gym, indoor pool. It also has a trekking path and a nature viewpoint within the property. This is a perfect nature stay option. Number 5. The Val Munnar, a new property in Munnar with 36 rooms which has 3 different types of room category, a garden view, valley view and a jacuzzi suite. The property also offers tea tasting sessions. It has a spa, a gym, coffee shop, restaurant and a conference hall. This is a must-try luxury option. Number 6. Elixir Hill Resort. The all-suite room property with 44 rooms has 3 different categories: deluxe suite, jacuzzi suite and cottage with private pool. The property has a play area for the kids. It has an infinity pool, spa and sauna. You can also take a trek around the property and go for a nature walk and bird watching as well. Number 7. Chandi's Windy Wood. Yes, the name says it all. Located on a hilltop with lots of wind, surrounded by tea plantation. The property has 48 rooms in 7 different room categories. They also have an artificial waterfall and a forest inside the property, which makes it unique from others. The property has a spa, health club, games room, pool and a multi-cuisine restaurant. Number 8. The Vibe Munnar. Yes, the place has a great vibe with over 100 rooms. The property has an in-house helipad with a huge garden space which makes it a great place for destination weddings. They also have a spa, health club, outdoor activity area for the guest. The rooms are of big size which makes a plus point for them, and the property also has private pool villas. Number 9. The Grand Cliff Resort, a new 5-star resort in Munnar with 68 rooms located 26 kilometers away from the Munnar town, situated in the tea gardens. The property itself is a hidden gem with lots of things to offer. They have a beautiful infinity pool, a gym, sauna, activity area and an Ayurveda spa. You can also explore the local tea estates and hills by taking a jeep ride. Number 10. The Panoramic Gateway. Located on a hilltop with one of the best views of the valley with 90 rooms. The property has a heated pool with 2 restaurants, spa and a conference hall. The property also has an in-house helipad which makes it a perfect family stay option. So stay tuned to the channel where we recommend hotels from all parts of the country. Thank you for watching the video.